dimensions, celebrating large-scale efficiency. Meticulously selected seeds grown in vast greenhouses, harvested by synchronized machinery. Here, sustainable practices meet advanced technology. As the fields are regenerated, the phenotyping data confirms increased resistance in the V32 line.
And the yield projections look promising for arid climates.
Thousands of selected seeds are automatically placed into germination trays. Fine mist irrigation systems maintain perfect.
The drone data indicates localized stress right in this sector. Confirmed. The precision sprayers are already addressing the issue with minimal runoff.
Data confirms optimal ripeness on these.
Agreed. The color saturation is perfect. All right, team, let's begin the harvest.
Ensuring peak freshness, the freshly harvested eggplants are rapidly transferred to the refrigerated convoy, heading straight for the processing facility. Precision rotary blades remove excess stems, while soft polishing rollers gently clean the vegetables.
The camera verification stats are holding strong at 99.8%.
Excellent. The new calibration is definitely stable.
The core temperature is stable at -25.
Good, maintain that flow rate for the next batch.
The weight consistency is holding steady at 300 grams. Good, log that for the H2 shift report.
This facility operates around the clock, utilizing AI to optimize the cold chain from storage to nationwide delivery. From the highway to the distribution hub, every shipment is precisely monitored to ensure peak freshness upon arrival.
Contentious. Premium export-grade eggplants are secured with robotic precision. Under strict food safety protocols, these twins. In this highly organized environment, goods flow continuously from the refrigerated docks through automated scanning.
From advanced farming to global logistics, the journey from seed to table culminates in this moment of shared enjoyment.
Table 12, ready their plating.
Yes, chef. Heard that. Finishing the garnish now.
Your eggplant dish, sir. Enjoy your meal.
The quality of this eggplant is unmatched. Seriously, I've never tasted anything this fresh.